Welcome to Star Catering Services. So friends, this is our misal pav. Many of our friends have asked what all we serve in Star Catering with misal. So I'll just show you how what all we serve and how you can eat it. So this is called ussal or rasa. Then we serve these two pav with ussal. This is onion, kanda and a slice of lemon. This is farsan. So what you need to do is you need to put this farsan in this ussal and this kanda as well and squeeze the lemon, and you need to eat this with pav. So guys, this one plate costs you 30 rupees. This includes ussal, pav, farsan, kanda and lemon. Misal really goes well with a glass of tak or chas. That will cost you additional 10 rupees. So guys, we served this misal pav to our laughter club members in Thane last weekend and they really loved it. Let's see what they have to say about it. If you want to place an order, the number would be given at the end of this video. Thank you. आंटी कैसा लगा?
अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा। सब किसा खाने के बाद बहुत सब पूछे और एक चेहरे पर हंसी है।